Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can set minimum stay on booking.com on Extranet, so let's jump right in. Start by opening your browser and going to admin.booking.com log and using your registered partner email and password to access the Extranet. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the Rates and Availability tab at the top menu, and from the drop-down, select Calendar or Rates Calendar, depending on your view. On the calendar, choose the room type and date range for which you want to set the minimum stay. After selecting the desired dates, click directly on the field labeled Minimum Length of Stay. A small box will appear where you can enter the minimum number of nights guests must book for that room on those selected dates. Enter your preferred value, for example, 2, if you want to require a minimum of 2 nights, and then save or click Enter to confirm the change. These settings will be updated instantly and applied to your listing, helping you manage guest stays according to your preferences.